Portia's doing her 5th grade science experiment, and it doesn't look boring at all. It's just making, just staring at the clock on the stove. This is a can of Coke in here, and we're just like waiting for all the liquid to evaporate out. So you get left with the sugar before we weighed the pan before, and then with this, and then you take the, you let it all cool off, and then you put the pan back on there, and you subtract out, and it shows you how much, or we get like a pretty accurate measurement of how much sugar is in there, and we can compare and know, like, that can is full of a ton of sugar. Huh, Porsche? He's so happy about this. We still have to do the, or she's got to do the board. I just had to buy everything. She has to do all the hard work.
There's 12 fluid ounces in each pan.
Yep, out of 12 fluid ounces. I'm going to see what's left in sugar. Been over 10 minutes?
About 15.
About 15 minutes, and it's almost boiled out. It's like getting there.
This is just with can. Imagine doing that giant soda.
I know, the 2-liter bottles. Yeah. I think we're going to do country time next over there.
And then we're going to figure out
Cover like the carbonation versus non-carbonation.
Right after it turns to 59.
Almost 30 minutes
It's
in.
29 minutes.
29 minutes, and it's almost there. Making a mess of the stove. Not that it wasn't gross before, but this is a messy little experiment, and it's taking forever. We didn't think it would take this long.
Skilled it.
Oh, we took it. We put it in the fridge because we didn't want to wait an hour for it to cool off. So take this off, push on, and then once it's clear, you can measure. Try it now. The kitchen's disgusting. Sorry, everyone. 9.7. So we started with what?
8.5.
Okay, and then my scale is for my Etsy, so it goes off ounces. So we took the pan and minus it out, and we've got 1.2 ounces is what we ended up with, and the total can itself is 12 ounces. So I'm going to convert this over to, what is this? What do they claim on here? Grams?
Yeah, 39 grams.
Sugar's 39 grams. So we're going to try to convert and see if we got 39 grams out of 1.2 fluid ounces. We go and do some Googling. Okay, so we just looked it up, and we got 1.2 ounces equals 34 grams, which is pretty stinking close, but a lot of it like boiled out and splattered everywhere. They have total sugar is 39 grams, and we wound up, there was some stuck on the spoon, and I like tried to chip it off, and it's turned into, I'm going to try to scrape it and save my pan, but it is like rock hard candy. So this is going to be fun. And then we're going to do a country time. I think we cooked it a little bit too long. It made like this glass sucker candy that I had to bust out of the pan. It was very stuck on there. And this is like the end result. This is how much sugar, I guess, left, and very organized right here, sorry. Check it. Like, this is what we wound up with out of one can of Coke. 12 fluid ounces, and one of those ounces is just sugary goodness. Crazy stuff. We're gonna do lemonade next. Alright, well, we got a kind of a sad call from Grandma in the in between there, but now we're doing I'm hoping Grandpa's okay. But she's moved on to doing the
time strawberry lemonade.
Yeah, and you can see this one boil a lot better than the Coke. So we're gonna see what we're end up with. You're doing great with your cool experiment, huh?
Show them the hard candy.
I did. It's crazy. We'll have to hold them up by each other at the end. Crazy stuff. Alright, so this was the country time.
It was solid rock too.
I know, it's so crazy.
Put these drinks
It was
in
like
the fridge and they're
9
going to be solid rock.
I know. What was this one? 9. Was it more than the other one?
It was one less.
One less than Coke. And I think we lost a little bit on the Coke on this.
It was 9.6 earlier.
Oh. Well, the craziest thing we learned so far is Crush actually has the most sugar of them all, and the least sugar of them all is Kool-Aid.
Yes.
Isn't that crazy? Portia and I both thought for sure Coke would like outdo it by miles.
This one.
43 grams.
Everything else was in the 30s except for this. This one was at 4.
Yeah, that was not bad. A Capri Sun was what, like 20?
Yeah, 20. Then this one was 38.
Man.
Which is actually higher than
try to bust
country
this.
soda. Which this country lemonade
That one had a
was
ton too.
actually 35, which is less than this in this one. And the Coca-Cola.
But none of them are great.
But bigger than this
But
one.
that one's probably the safest. Crazy! I'm gonna bust this out too. The Coke was really hard to get out. But we're gonna put it in a little baggie and show that's what the sugar is. Well, so the other syrup was too burnt to get it out of the pan. So, but this is how much sugar is in this guy. Isn't it crazy? Oh my god! It's pretty wild. So this is the final. It's on the floor right now, so you can't see it that well. But she's gonna take it today. This is it all the way done. The one with the most sugar was this craziness. How crazy is that? It beats out Coke. And it looks like rock candy.
We brought this one for example.
Yeah, pretty wild.
Then Kool-Aid has like...
Kool-Aid had the least, which was nuts. Or that, the bottle kind. Probably not the one you make at home. I don't know. Pretty wild stuff. She's got all her cool facts. I love all her little backgrounds. This spoon of sugar, everything. She did so good. Portia did so good. I love it. You excited?
Yeah.
You just gotta take it today. And
Geography right there.
yeah, the geography. We gotta take it to school, and they.
Yeah.
I think it's not till Thursday, but they're taking it today. Woohoo!
Because my teacher told us that we have to bring it today or tomorrow.
I know. You're all done. High five. Boom. Wow. Cheese. Daisy want to be part. Say bye, everybody. Thanks for watching.
Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching.